The intensity of an electrical field around a single charged object depends on the distance from the charge and the charge's geometry. The intensity of an electrical field around a single spherical body varies inversely with the square of distance. So when you're twice the distance from a charge, the electrical field intensity will be quartered. This animation hopefully will help you understand why the electrical field around a spherical charge decreases with the inverse square of distance. When you a distance of 1 from the charge, the field occupies an area of a 1 by 1 square and has a relatively high intensity. At a distance twice the distance, the field stretches to fill a space with twice the base and twice the height. Now that original field is 1/4 of its intensity. We've doubled the distance, 1/4 the intensity. Now look at triple the distance. The field stretches now to occupy a space that is 9 times the original area, so now it's 1/9 of its original intensity. When you double the distance from a spherical charge, the electrical field intensity would be quartered. Conversely, when you halve the distance, the field intensity now quadruples. As you move closer to a charge, not only does the field intensity increase, so does the force. Also notice that the force each charge exerts on the other is equal but opposite. When opposite charges are placed near each other, the field intensity between the charges increases. For a charge rod, the field intensity varies inversely with distance. A charge rod would be a cylinder. If the distance to the rod is reduced to 1/3 of its original, the electrical field intensity would be 3 times greater. The electrical field intensity between two like charges is 0. The electrical field intensity decreases as you move away from a charge. The electrical field intensity of a sphere decreases inversely with the square of distance. When you double the distance from a spherical charge, the electrical field intensity decreases by 1/4 of its original value. A cylinder's electrical field varies inversely with distance. Tripling the distance from a cylinder will decrease the electrical field intensity by 1/3.